We dropped off the first passenger, we made the first YouTube video, and now we're getting ready to move. If you watched my last video, you know I'm on my way to Costco. Let's go, Uncle Costco. And the reason why we're going to Costco is, watch, right when I start moving and my car is gonna go somewhere else, the app is gonna wake up and it's gonna possibly give us a ride. And if you don't do this and you stay here, I don't know if it's bad cell reception. I don't know exactly what the reasoning is. When I know, I would let you guys know. But if you stay in one place, you can be there for an hour and not get anything, right? So if you're learning to drive Uber and you're new, remember, 10 minutes max you stay at one location. Then you want to move 10 miles. You have to. There's no ifs and buts about it. And if you follow my channel, you know one of my goals for this week was to get to 500 subscribers. Come on, guys. If you're watching this video, give me 3 more. Give me 3 more. 3 more. Please, please, please. Pretty please. Pretty please. And okay, I'll tell you. I got a good one for you. Look, I was driving and I noticed something in the background. Oh, it says eucalyptus. Damn it. This street, for a second, does it show the name? Yeah, right there. Look at the name of the street. Hecock. He-A-Cock. That's the name of the street. He-A-Cock. Come on, guys. That's hella funny. Uncle Uber, we got some nasty jokes. Now, I've moved about 5 minutes, 5 miles. And don't be afraid of turning the app off. Right? Turn it off as often as you can. It's Friday. You can save a little bit of drive time. And you want to just keep the algorithm guessing. Turn it on, turn it off. And drive a little bit more, get gas, turn it back on, and it has no idea which way you're gonna go, right? I mean, it kind of has an idea, but I've noticed when you turn it on, turn it off, 1, it creates a surge for other drivers, and 2, when the surge pops up, it lets you know, 1, all the drivers are like magnets, they're gonna go that way. And for you, you can use that as a strategy to figure out what you're gonna do. Red light, which means I'm gonna update my notes and my goals. So for this week, my earnings goal is basically $1,250, not $1,500, because I was moving. We don't have to worry about this anymore because we're not driving. It's a Friday, so we're gonna get rid of all of this and just say it's a Friday. My goal is simple. Boom, $250 for a Friday. And this is how I do it. I create templates and then I delete everything that I don't need, and it makes it a little bit easier at the end of the day when I want to run a report. I want to look at something, you know, just to kind of figure it out, right? I have to create a playlist and end screen. I haven't done that from yesterday, so it's still here, right? It's the second goal for today. Number 3, consulting requests. If you've been watching my videos, anything that people that are consulting with me, they ask, I put it right here. Another red light. I'm literally looking at my comments. I try to stay on top of it. And Suzanne, I've already responded to, made videos, so I'll update that. And there's just 2 comments in the last 1 hour that I need to read and respond to. Meaning, don't waste any time. Take advantage of your time all day. I'm looking at the car in front of me and I can see it's an Uber driver or Lyft driver, right? I can see the app. So sometimes when I'm driving, I'm looking. If I see the Lyft beacon and I see the Uber beacon and where people are going, I kind of pay attention to it, and it just lets me know, okay, it's a busy area. I don't need to go this way. I can go away from these drivers. Now I'm pulling up to Costco, about 4 minutes, 1.5 miles away. We'll take Uber out of timeout. We'll turn it on and see in the last 5-10 minutes that I moved and turned the app off, if anything pops up. If nothing pops up, while I'm at Costco getting gas and about to leave, it'll be another 10 minutes. The app will be on. If I don't get anything, again, app goes off, and then I'll probably move to my next location, which is downtown Riverside, and hoping somebody needs a ride from there. All right, that's the first ride that popped up. I'm still at Costco. I gotta get gas, but I'm trying to read this. 10 minutes to go 7 miles. No, that's too far away. And it's already under my minimum, which is $15, right? But here's the good news. I'm gonna put this headset on and I'm gonna run back to my car if I hear something, right? If I hear something. And remember, if you're watching my channel, don't worry about this. This is a lie. Another driver matched this request. It just does that to play with your mind. And I eventually figured it out. It took me a while. I'm old. It took me a while. But let me get gas. Now the same ride is popping up. No, it's something similar, right? 470, 4 miles away, and a 6 mile trip. But I couldn't even finish reading it. I'm old. Uber's got to slow this down. Instead of giving us 10 seconds and trying to rush you, no. Bro, oh, here's a third one that just popped up. That means I'm in a busy area. So this is why this Costco is important. If 3 rides like this popped up, remember, this is the container. This is in the container. Let other drivers take it. Let the newbies take it. Let the college students take it. You sit here and you wait for that nice ride that's at least $15 to $30. And if you don't get it, just stick to your plan. Your plan is what? To end up at downtown Riverside? There's a fourth one that popped up, all right? Your plan is, or actually my plan is, to end up at downtown Riverside, or end up by UC Riverside, or take a different route to end up towards downtown Riverside. And I typically go close to Riverside Convention Center. So 4 rides popped up when I got to this Costco. It tells you it's a hot spot. Let me zoom out so you can kind of see where I'm at. See? And I'll tell you why it's hot. You've got a freeway coming here, going there. You got a freeway going here, right? Anytime you're close to a location like this, there's a chance it might be busy. I was getting gas. I kept crying. I was like, let me come in and check. Okay, here's another thing. Already viewed. That basically means there's no drivers here. But that's not too bad to pick up this person. So I'll probably take this one because I'm close enough. And I'll take that $10, right? It's close enough. It's $10. I'll change my requirement a little bit. Oh, somebody else got it. What are the odds of that? Maybe there's somebody here. Yeah, so right now it's blowing up over here. I've gotten at least 10 requests. So I don't need to go anywhere. I'm going to let the container empty out. That's kind of cool. That's somebody that needs to go to UC Riverside. But I'm going to let the container empty out. Because if there's like 8 or 10 times it popped up and I was getting gas, it basically means this is a hot spot. I'm just going to sit here. I don't have to move until everything in the container or in the graveyard is done. And at the bottom is where you're going to get like a $30, $40 ride. Trust me, I've been doing this long enough. There's another one. But I don't have to keep showing you all of this. It's kind of annoying, right? If I get annoyed, trust me, you're going to get annoyed. You don't need to be watching this. We're going to park over here. I got to go pee real fast. I'm going to take care of my bathroom break. And then we'll figure out what to do. But whenever that big ride pops up, I'll definitely turn this on. I'm actually putting in my gas for the day and getting it updated. But if you look over here, this is how many miles I drove yesterday. 335. I believe I made around 200. I'll confirm that for you. Let's look at it together. There it is. Okay, so yesterday I made around $200. It was actually a very profitable day. 6 hours online or active, 12 hours online, which is good. That's a 1-to-1 ratio, right? For an hour of driving, being active, I was online for another hour. And then if you look on the left, I only did 5 trips. So 5 trips for $200 is very good. That is very good. Now, the only issue is that's 335 miles. I think a little bit of it was at the end I had to do an interview, so I just drove home and I couldn't drive anymore. But if I kept driving, I could have driven home and made a little bit more money. But it is what it is. And then today, so far, I've put in $10 of gas. $10 of gas, that's $20. And if we look at our numbers, we are already at, let's see. Let's go back. Yep, I've already made 17. So the amount of money I put in for gas today, I've already used it. And I don't know, I have a different way of driving. I like it. And I believe the container is empty and I didn't get anybody, right? So I'm gonna go ahead. God bless you guys. I'm gonna upload this video. But as I finish this, if I get somebody, I'll let you know. Otherwise, the second video is done. This basically showed you I dropped off a person, I got gas, I relocated. There was a bunch of people that were in the container, and I chose not to sell myself a little bit short and take anything. Actually, I tried to sell myself short once. I tried to take a $10 ride because it was a mile away. Now, when I leave, it might pop up and give me something. If it doesn't, it's okay. My strategy is this. I know what my next location is. I want to end up here, okay? And I know there's going to be traffic right here. So there's 2 ways to go there. I can go from here, right? And it's going to take maybe 20 minutes to get there. Or I can just take the freeway and go the normal way. The freeway way, the freeway, that's kind of hard to say. The freeway is going to be this way, right? And I want to end up here. And I don't literally have to end up here, right? But I like to just go there and check it out. But I prefer to go this way in case some kids from UC Riverside are cutting college, or they're going to go home and visit their mom and dad. I think there is a potential here, right? So this is my thinking, and hopefully by next video you'll know where I got the ride, what ride I got, how much money's coming in. Second video uploaded. God bless you. What's that? This is a hot spot right now. But you know what? Sometimes it won't give me what's in the container till I leave. It's just weird like that, right? As long as I sit here, it'll keep giving me dinky $10, $7, $10, $7, and I don't want to do that. But when I leave, I think what the algorithm understands is like, look, if I don't give this 30 bucks to Ahmed, then they don't make 30 bucks, right? And at some point, the stubborn algorithm gives up, and I think I'm more stubborn. This is why I'm allowed, or I'm able to do 5 passengers for $200, right? I'm stubborn. I'm not gonna say, and I have a backup plan. Okay, this one's not bad. It's going to Riverside for $11. I'm still not gonna do it, right? It's 2 miles. It's gonna take me 30 minutes to do this to make $11. I'm not making my minimum of $15, right? But hold on, I'm gonna take it, and I'll tell you why. I'm gonna take it. Why? Now I'm getting paid $11 to
Message
go to...
from trip coordinator. Room number,
shit.
app seat. Contact writer upon arrival 951-646.
Okay, the reason why I said, oh shit. One, I have to go and block out that phone number, which means I have to edit this video. And the second reason why I said, oh shit, is anytime you hear a ride from trip coordinator, it means it's a guest ride. This means this is a medical drop-off, right? I'm gonna do it right now because I want to end up in Riverside, and from downtown Riverside, I'm already gonna go there. Because I'm already gonna go there, and you guys are telling me to stop driving dead miles, so I'm changing my strategy a little bit. In this situation, I'll take the $11, I'll drop this person, I'll end up in downtown Riverside, or from there, I'll figure out what to do. Plus, I'll leave the app on in the background, I'll turn Pet off, and I'll turn UberX off, right? But I'll leave this one on. I'll leave leave UberX on, and I will leave Uber Comfort on right here, right? So now the app has 20 minutes to line me up with those or the packages, right? All right, I gotta go and I gotta edit this video and upload it. Unfortunately, I can't just put it up raw.